What's up, mi gente? Today we're going to be making some pesto ranch couscous salad. Let's go. Now that your couscous is nice and boiled looking like this, it's time to add our pesto seasoning. I use this brand. You can make a homemade one if you'd like. Now it's time to add our ranch seasoning. Put it onto a pan. After spreading it all evenly on the pan, it's time to add some mayonnaise and stir like so. Now it's time to chop up our cherry tomatoes and add them to our couscous pasta. Look at that, just perfect. Store it in the refrigerator for 1 hour before eating. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.